Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Breeze Hill Elementary School, home of the Coyotes in Vista, California. Just got done sharing my heart with the students and staff, part of the AM/PM after school program here on site. And it was another beautiful day, getting to speak to the various students and teachers. And today's topic, we revisited the theme of positivity. The sub-theme was be your best self. And one of the slides from the presentation on the TV behind me, you'll see it says be your best self, right? And this means we're trying to be the best version of who we can be the best people that we can be for this planet, for this earth, each and every day. Trying to have a positive attitude with everyone that we interact with and everywhere that we go. And it's easier said than done, especially on days when it's a little bit more cloudy, colder, like it is today outside here in California. But on days where it's sunny, super bright, warm, very, very nice. Of course, to have that positive mentality is a little bit easier to do. But this also relates to the storms that can happen in our hearts and in our lives, right? Situations that we're going through here at school with our friendships, our teams, the clubs that we're a part of, our family situations. And so, sometimes we, unfortunately, go more towards the negativity, which is human nature, to focus on the negative instead of the positive. But we have to know that it's our job to overcome those negative thoughts that we might be having, the limiting beliefs that try to hold us down, people trying to make fun of us. We can always choose to rise above that in a positive way. And the students really got that today, that no matter what we go through, will go through, are currently going through, we can always choose to keep our head up. Just like the shirt that I wear for this presentation says, the words upside down on purpose. If you're looking down feeling sad, it's a reminder to always think positive and keep your head up no matter what. And look, when we're talking about positivity, there's going to be trials in our life, there's going to be challenges, there's going to be difficult experiences that we have to face, but they can make us stronger if we let them, right? And hopefully we really choose to do that, right? Because we know that even if it's not that easy, as long as we keep trying, keep persisting, keep persevering, keep pushing towards our goal, that we might eventually have success, right? Sometimes the moment that you're ready to quit is the second that a miracle is about to happen. That if we just tried one more time, gave it one more effort, one more chance, one more shot, we might have success. The opposite of success is not failure, it's quitting or giving up, right? Because we can fail again and again and again, but if we stop trying, then we have no chance. And one of the students that said that today, I always applaud them, because usually people say the opposite is failure. That if I fail, that I'm a failure. That if I make a mistake, I'm a mistake. But that's so far from the truth, right? And we always need to remember our worth, our value, how important each of us are. That's also part of doing our best. Like the M on all of our hands, a lot of students had me trace theirs after, with the lines on our hands. That M we know stands for miracle. Upside down W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we believe that, once we buy into that, we keep going out into our community and we keep shining. That light, that kindness, that compassion, and that positivity. Try to leave a positive mark here at our school so that it lasts even beyond the time that we spend here. So thanks again for touching my heart. It was another great time for my final visit of this school year. Hope you all have a great rest of 2025, 2026, great summer break. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.